In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to connect Resend to Base44. We'll walk through linking the Resend email service to your Base44 workspace so you can send emails directly from your workflows. Start by opening the Base44 app in your browser. Once you're in, look for the Integrations section in the interface. It's typically available from the main navigation and opens a catalog of available services. Use the search bar to look up Resend. When you see the Resend tile, select it to open the details page, then choose Use this integration. This action prepares Base44 to accept your credentials and enables the connection on your account. Next, head over to the Resend website in a new tab. In your Resend dashboard, find the area labeled API keys. This is where you manage secure access tokens for external tools. Create a new API key. You'll be asked to give it a name and select a permission level. Pick a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize what this key is used for later. For permissions, choose the level that matches how you plan to use Resend through Base44. If you only need to send emails, a send-only scope is often sufficient. If you also need to manage templates or domains through the API, choose the appropriate broader scope. When you're ready, click Add to generate the key. Resend will show you the new API key once. Copy it carefully and store it somewhere secure, such as a password manager. If there's an option to highlight the key, use that to ensure you've selected the entire value before copying. Remember, anyone with this key can act as your integration, so treat it like a password. Return to your Base44 tab and paste the API key into the field provided for the Resend integration. Confirm or save to complete the connection. If the key is valid and has the correct permissions, Base44 will finish linking your account and make Resend available inside your workflows. With the integration connected, you can now write your prompt inside Base44. Use clear instructions that describe what should be emailed, when it should be triggered, and any variables or placeholders you expect to fill in at runtime. Keep your prompt specific and concise so your messages are consistent, and update it later as your process evolves. That's the entire process from start to finish. You've connected Resend to Base44, created and secured your API key, and prepared your prompt so you can start sending right away. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.